car audio bass boosters are essential for richer low-end sound, enhancing depth, clarity, and overall driving enjoyment in any vehicle. My today's video is about top 5 best car audio bass booster that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Blaupunkt Car Audio Bass Booster. The Blaupunkt Digital Bass Enhancer Processor is a powerful upgrade for anyone serious about elevating their in-car audio experience. Engineered with precision, it adds remarkable depth and clarity to low frequencies, transforming even ordinary sound systems into rich, hard-hitting audio setups. Its advanced tuning features allow enthusiasts to tailor bass response exactly to their liking, ensuring every beat hits with precision and balance. One of its standout conveniences is the included dash remote control, which lets you fine-tune gain and frequency settings without ever leaving your seat. This real-time adjustability means you can refine your bass output instantly based on the music or driving conditions. Aesthetically, Blaupunkt maintains its signature sleek, modern design, allowing the processor to blend effortlessly into any vehicle interior. Backed by a legacy dating back to 1924, the brand continues to be globally recognized for its durable, high-performance audio products. For drivers seeking deeper, cleaner, and more customizable bass, this digital bass enhancer is a premium and reliable choice. Now our second product is NVX Car Audio Bass Booster. This 2-channel line-out converter with adjustable X-Boost is a powerful solution for anyone upgrading a factory sound system without compromising bass performance. Its standout feature, the X-Boost technology, effectively corrects bass roll-off, one of the most common issues when integrating aftermarket amplifiers with OEM radios. The result is deeper, fuller low-end response that restores the impact your factory setup often lacks. Engineered to handle up to 30 V, 225 watts RMS, it delivers clean, high-quality audio and provides up to 9.5 volts of output, ensuring strong signal delivery to your amplifier. Its auto turn-on capability, triggered via DC offset or audio detection, adds a layer of convenience by simplifying installation and eliminating the need for a remote wire in many configurations. The load selection switch, offering 20, 60, or 20K ohms, helps prevent factory radio shutdown issues, making it highly compatible with modern vehicles. The included wired remote bass level control allows on-the-fly adjustments, giving you complete command over your low-frequency output. Overall, this converter is an essential, well-engineered tool for achieving powerful, precise bass and upgraded car audio systems. Our third product is Orion Car Audio Bass Booster. The Cobalt Series CBA 2500.4 Class AB amplifier stands out as a formidable contender in the 4-channel amplifier market, combining power, precision, and durability in a single package. Its advanced crossover network and broad 10 to 30 kHz frequency response ensure crisp, controlled audio across the full spectrum, making it an ideal choice for audiophiles who demand clarity and depth from their car speakers. Built to handle continuous 2 or 4 ohm loads, the CBA 2500.4 delivers consistent performance without overheating or unwanted distortion. This stability makes it perfectly suited for high-demand speakers that require steady, clean power to shine. The MOSFET power supply, along with both low-level RCA and high-level wire inputs, ensures seamless integration with virtually any setup, providing flexibility for OEM or aftermarket systems. Feature-wise, it comes equipped with high-pass and low-pass filters, bass boost, and reliable protection circuitry, giving users the tools to fine-tune their sound confidently. With 100W RMS-X4 at 2 ohms and 60W RMS-X4 at 4 ohms, this amplifier unlocks impressive output while maintaining efficiency. Overall, the CBA 2500.4 is a robust, high-performing powerhouse built to elevate any car audio system. Now number 4, Boss Audio Systems Car Audio Bass Booster. This monoblock Class AB amplifier delivers an impressive blend of power, reliability, and user-focused features, making it a strong choice for anyone aiming to elevate their subwoofer performance. Compact at 10.43 inches by 9.21 inches by 2.25 inches and weighing just 4.37 pounds, it fits easily into most vehicle setups while still packing serious output. With a MOSFET power supply and stable 2 ohm operation, it delivers up to 1100 watts max at 2 ohms and 550 watts max at 4 ohms, enough to bring deep, impactful bass to life. The built-in low-pass filter, bass boost, and adjustable input sensitivity allow users to fine-tune their sound for maximum clarity and punch. Added protection features, thermal, short, and overload circuits, ensure long-term durability, while the illuminated logo gives it a stylish, modern aesthetic. RCA and speaker-level inputs offer installation flexibility, whether connecting to an aftermarket or factory head unit. With Boss Audio's generous 6-year platinum online dealer warranty when purchased through Amazon, this amplifier becomes an even more compelling value. For best performance and safety, professional installation is highly recommended. And our last choice is Aeroncur Audio Bass Booster. The AK380 Hi-Fi stereo amplifier is an impressive compact powerhouse designed for users who want high-quality sound in a versatile, portable package. Delivering 400W plus 400W peak and 40W plus 40W rated power, it offers clean, rich audio with no annoying pops or connection noise thanks to its advanced circuitry and YD7377 chip. Bluetooth 5.0 ensures a stable, fast wireless link, making it ideal for streaming music from modern devices without signal drops. Its multifunctional design features an LCD backlit display and dedicated bass, treble, and volume knobs, giving users precise control over their audio tuning. Compatibility is another strong point, working flawlessly with phones, laptops, TVs, projectors, MP3/MP4 players, and more. Whether used at home, in a car, or outdoors, it adapts quickly to different setups. The AK380 supports 4 to 16 ohm speakers and includes a remote control for convenient distance adjustments. With USB and memory card support, plug-and-play use is seamless. A built-in FM tuner with an included antenna adds even more value, storing over 20 stations for quick access. Compact, powerful, and feature-rich, the AK380 is a standout budget-friendly hi-fi amplifier. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.